Today's opening night. A lot of things were done strategically to get to this point. The planning, getting our content together, get all the social channels together, start building the website. We're just telling a story for like 4 months.
Restaurant marketing starts with knowing what makes your restaurant stand out.
You just put a steak on a table, everybody's doing that. How we differentiate yourself. Not one single component, it's 50 things that add up to one thing. This unique atrium, indoor, outdoor feel, the salt library, the hunt, gather, catch, the booze caboose, the pepper grinder, see the kitchen staff work their butts off. You're separating yourself a little bit in all those different things.
The idea that you eat with your eyes wasn't invented for restaurant marketing, but it's more true on Instagram than anywhere.
Social media, that's our focus. But to do that, you have to create great content. You gotta get a really good photographer. You gotta do it in the venue. Now you're able to paint that picture for people that have never been here. They look at our website or our Instagram like, wow, that place looks really good. It's important to have that content.
An incredible guest experience is still the best marketing tool, and that can start even before opening night.
We do 4 nights of friends and family, it's a really good for us to operationally to like work out the kinks, but it's also good to get a lot of people in here to look at the restaurant, to share it social media, and then we always do a big blowout party. A lot of tastemakers, a lot of media influencers. The best marketing is word of mouth. As long as people come in here and have a good meal and good service, that buzz will continue, and then we're off to the races.
Let's keep doing what we were doing all training long. We're doing it for real now. Keep up what we learned these past few weeks, and I think we're gonna be really successful at what we're doing. Night 1, opening night, Adalina Prime. Let's do this.